and welcome to the Jeju vlog. Please ignore whatever is going on here. So we arrived last night and we went out for some food. I mean, this is the view I'm looking at the moment. You can see the sea, and we're about to go on a hike to some waterfalls, which I'm really excited about. So enjoy.
I don't want it ruining my holiday.
Yeah.
I'm sweating already.
You wanna try this one?
Yeah, I'm cold.
You wanna try?
So I've got a tangerine slushie, and Jeju is famous for their tangerines. This is unreal.
Yeah.
So guys, we've come for a hike on Jeju Island, and as you'll have seen, the views are stunning, and we walked up in 18 minutes. I do not think that is bad. They say most people it takes 25 to 30, so it's worth the view. So guys, we've made it to a beach bar. It's rained, so it's a little bit empty, but I think we're gonna come back to here tomorrow because like this place is huge. And they're playing good music. And in the day, the sea is literally right there. And we've got a yachting session like next door, so I think it's gonna be so cute. So, living our best lives.
If I got you, baby, every day's a honeymoon.
So after our yachting, guys, we've come back to the same beach bar as last night, but it's actually busy this time, and the vibes are immaculate. We just had some food, and we're just gonna chill here and then go down to the beach.
So, if you want to enjoy.
So guys, on my final day here on Jeju, the tour I have been on is finished, but I'm just spending the day cafe hopping with one of the girls on the tour, and we're currently at Orange Tangerine Cafe, and this is the view. So cute.
So guys, me and Cooper have come to Flower Cafe. We've got a lavender tea and what did you get? Coffee. Chang!